Okay, I'm going to show you how to upload your own personalized photos or affirmation quotes to your Positive Prime session so that you can have better results with this, what I like to call it a vision board tool. It works like a vision board where you have all of these beautiful images, beautiful affirmations, but it's in a video format that you can play at various speeds, and it has music to it. And there's all of these sessions already loaded in here that you can use on various topics, but you can also upload your own personalized photos and affirmations. How I like to use it is I upload a lot of photos of things that bring me joy or things that bring me love. And a lot of those are pictures of family members, pictures of my kids, even when they were little, pictures of vacations that we took, that we had a great time on that vacation. And then the other thing you can upload is what your goals are. What do you want to create in your life? What do you want to manifest in your life? Where do you want to be? What do you want your business to sell or get to a certain sales goal? You can upload quotes for that. And how you do that is you go into my gallery right here and you can upload them straight there, or you can go pick the session you want to work on, which I want to go into the money topic. And here's all of the videos. These are, I kind of think of them like templates because they are created with, I think, 2,000 images already in there. But once you upload your own personalized photos and quotes, you can pick which ones you want to be incorporated into the session, and you really can personalize it. So I think of these as like the base, and then I'm adding my own personalized photos into it. So I'm going to do this Train Your Brain for Abundance by Dana Wilde. Let's click on this. And then it pops up where you can personalize it or you can just play your session. And I want to personalize it. I want to add another photo in here. And it's going to bring up, these are all photos that I have already uploaded into my gallery. If it has a check mark, that means it's already included in here. I've watched this session enough times that it just remembers which photos I wanted to put in here. But I want to upload a new photo into this session. So I'm going to hit the upload button right here, and you'll get a little pop-up that says, where do you want to add it from? I actually have to go find it here. Okay, this is the one that I wanted to add. And then it will show you that it's thinking. If you just add one at a time, it's pretty quick. If you're going to add like 5 or 10 photos, it's going to take a while for this to populate. Once this is colored, you can click upload one photo, and it's going to upload it. Once the bar goes across, it should be done. And then you'll see it here in your gallery. So I'm going to click the box that I want this to be included in this session that I'm about to play. And then I'm going to hit play session. Now it's loading all my personalized photos that I want to this session, and it rearranges them every single time you listen to it. So you never get the photos in the same order. It always has this pop-up of how are you feeling now. This is just so they can track for research purposes the people who use the tool. Do you go from being stressed out to being happy afterwards? I'm pretty happy right now, so I'm just going to click happy. You also can just skip it if you don't want to do it. But if you fill it out, it really does help their research. And then I always say, let's get this on the way. Now, it's always going to start at a slow pace with, like right now, it's only playing at a speed of 2 for 60 minutes. I never listen to it that slow. Now, these are just intro slides that are on every single session. It'll change here in a minute to the pretty pictures. But I'm going to increase my speed, and you can see every time I increase it, it's shortening the session. I like to listen to it on about 5 or 6 speed. And once you move your cursor off of here, that little bar will disappear. So a lot of these photos that are showing are things that I have uploaded, and then some of them are also just the regular template. And you saw my name flash up on the board. This tool will also put your name in there so that it is more personalized to you. So your brain sees, oh, this is for me. This is actually real. This is actually for my life. So we'll just watch this little bit. The neuroscience behind this is your subconscious mind can read these affirmations and absorb this information, even if the slide is going too fast for you to consciously read it. So sometimes I actually put it on the max speed. Watch this max speed. This is insane. Look how fast that's going. It's almost like, it almost hypnotizes you. But your subconscious mind can actually take in all that information. I actually really like watching it this fast. The only downside is I think it only plays for 3 minutes if you go at the max speed. So if you slow down to 9, it's still going pretty fast, and you still cannot consciously read those affirmations, but your subconscious mind can, and it absorbs it. Their neuroscience behind this is that just watching 3 minutes a day of these slides will increase your mood after only 3 minutes, and that will last up to 6 hours of your day. It increases your creativity, it increases your mood, it increases your energy, and when you are in a more positive state of mind, you give off a better energy to other people. And other people respond to you differently, and opportunities start coming to you that maybe wouldn't have come to you. People present things to you. Just good, all these good things start to happen. And the neuroscience behind it is watching certain images that they include in these videos actually changes your body chemistry. So when you see someone in this video that has a true, genuine smile, smiling at you, your body actually releases the feel-good chemicals as if you were smiling, as if you were happy. And you don't even have to be happy. You could be completely neutral. You could be sad. You know, it can take you from being sad to being neutral, and then take you from being neutral to being hopeful, and from being hopeful to being optimistic and joyful, and just move you up the emotional scale to feeling a little bit better than you were feeling when you started watching the video. And like I said, I like to put in goals in here, because combined with the images of my family members that just make me feel love, and looking at, you know, maybe vacations we took that I was just so happy. So I see those images and I become this positive state of mind. And then I combine that with the goal videos, maybe of how much I want my business to sell this month, or an income goal that I have, or maybe it's a dream house that I would like to live in, or a dream vacation that I want to take. Maybe it's somewhere we haven't been yet. So when I combine my positive emotions of prior experiences with slides and images of future experiences that I want to create, I start believing and having those feelings as if it has already happened. And that is the basis of manifesting anything in your life, is creating the image in your mind of what you want to accomplish, having a belief that it is doable or that it is coming to you, and having the feeling of it has already happened. So when you combine feelings of something that's already happened in your past, like you already took that great vacation, 10 years ago, and then you combine that with a future vision of what you want to happen, you're merging those positive emotions with future events that you want to happen, and you can create that into your life. So I love this tool. I've been using it every single day for a few months, and it absolutely makes me happy. It absolutely makes me joyful and gives me a sense of peace. And actually, I totally forgot about this. I was going to talk about this, that I have a lot of pictures of beaches and ocean in my sessions, personalized images that I have uploaded. And within 2 weeks of starting this video tool, I was given basically an all-expense paid trip to the beach. And we live in Texas, so we went to Fort Lauderdale, Florida area. And it was just crazy because it was just out of the blue. It was after I had been watching these sessions, and I have a lot of pictures of beach on there because eventually I would like to buy a property on the beach and live on the beach. I don't know when, but sometime I want that. And within a few weeks, I was given an all-expense paid trip to the beach. So just upload pictures of what you want in here. Upload pictures. I would start with whatever are favorites on your phone. Like, just go through your phone. You can log into the website from your phone and upload your favorites. Like, even selfies of yourself. When you see pictures of yourself in these videos, it is more real to you that you are actually living these images, because you're seeing pictures of yourself. You're seeing pictures of yourself, and then you're seeing a picture of this beautiful nature scenery, and you are getting the feeling that you are living out these images. So upload pictures of yourself, pictures of anything that makes you feel love and joy. It could be your pets, it could be your kids, it could be your spouse, it could be an awesome place that you went. Upload pictures of your goals. They could be in affirmation form, or they can just be pictures, and then embed them into these sessions. And there is all kinds of sessions topics over here: happiness, reflection, healing, success, spirituality, money, wellness, leading, relationship. There's ones for kids. There is, I know there's some specific ones also for, like, if you are a direct seller, you have a direct seller business, there's one specifically for those type of businesses. There's all kinds of topics. So that's just a little bit about how to upload your own images. I will do another video on how I actually create my images, because I make a lot of these in Canva, and I just go find, a beautiful picture that is the essence of what I'm trying to feel, and then I put a affirmation, text over the top of that, save that as an image, and then I upload it to my session. I'll just let this finish, and then, because it'll show you that it's got 18 seconds left. If you have specific images or specific goals you want to reach, and you would like me to create some photos or affirmations for you to upload to your sessions, leave me a comment down below, and I would be happy to make some images for you to get you started, just to show you some examples of, just tell me, hey, I'm trying to sell this much in my business this month, or I want to manifest this dream house. Here's the actual house. Like, if you have a house that you want to buy, and it's something that's already on the internet, like on Zillow or something, go get an actual picture of that house, and then we can make a affirmation on top of it and upload it into these sessions. So it's gonna do this little outtake quiz. How you're feeling afterwards. Again, you can hit skip, and then should take me back to my dashboard. But here's some of the other topics. If I go over here, this is the success topic, and there's all these different ones in here. Like, here's one: easily write your book, towards helping you write your book. There's so much in here, and they're all really good. And there's a basis for the images. Like, there are certain images, like this one here, where they have their hands in the air. That's not exactly a victory pose. This one's kind of a Superman victory pose. When people have their hands up in the air, it's a sign of victory. It's a sign of success. And your body responds to that as if you achieved something. I talked to you earlier about the smiling, how you respond to the smiles. There's a lot of images of people collaborating and teamwork. When you see images of people collaborating and providing good teamwork, same thing. It has a positive effect on you. The nature images, when you see images that have a certain amount of the image is nature, you actually feel as if you are out in the nature. Like your blood pressure lowers, you have a relaxation, and if you can't get outside, watching images of nature outside is just as good. So there's specific reasons why they use the images that they use in these sessions.